Welcome to Ecom in 60 Seconds, where I dive into the world of e-commerce, exploring trends and innovations in just a minute. Now, today's subject is one that comes up constantly in conversations, but not because I'm being asked what it is. It comes up regularly as the answer to the question of how to solve issues of iterative build and design consistency when you have multiple digital platforms and products. And the answer to that question is a design system. So let's start in time. Now, typically the look and feel of your website, apps and platforms are handled through front-end code, and things like CMSs can give varying degrees of control over page content and design. Now, a design system is basically a collection of guidelines, principles, and assets that define your brand and user experience. It's made up of components like colors, typography, icons, buttons, and user interface patterns, things like spacing, filters, layouts, and the like. Now, all sites are built with those elements. The snazzy thing, though, is that a design system is not a design on a particular site, but a system. So if you have multiple sites, say across countries or markets, apps and customer platforms, they can all use the same design system. Now, what that means is that any changes that need to be made to your brand, user experience, or style can be deployed across all of them instantly. Plus, if you have a new site or app that you're building, most of that design is already done and can be implemented. There's no more updating each one individually. The final thing is that it also separates or decouples the front end from everything else, which means that you don't have to change any of your current back-end systems to use it. And time. So from my enthusiasm, you can probably tell I'm a huge fan of design systems. They can be massively transformative. And if you're running multiple stores or have apps or portals, it really is the smartest and ultimately most efficient way to ensure your customer experience is consistent, while also reducing things like cost and complexity when you need to update designs across your plethora of platforms. So let me know what you think. Do you have one and agree and think it's great? Do you want to see if your business is maybe appropriate to have one? Or do you want to dispute some of the technical pieces in my very quick explanation? Feel free to hit me in the comments or in my DMs. And until next time, have a great one.